Do me general.
I want to go and charge it.
Yeah, man, you know, so I work, I walk and look.
Oh, yeah, man, you know, see, I'm familiar enough with the place. I want to get a record and the Popeyes there, my family run off the place. They don't want a record.
Yes, that's security from that. Yeah.
So you can
set the link, you know. Yeah, man, we can do security record.
So you can go machine.
Yes, man.
I can a machine.
Yeah, man.
If I was a machine,
yeah, man, I have experience, man. I come to rifle.
Rifle? Yeah, about that party then.
Yes, man. Mr. Frank.
It's the place you know.
Yeah.
The thing kind of official out here. They have them pigs, they have the guy and the thing around them and
yes, man.
They have to line up and come in to your need, you know.
Yeah, man.
They're working on a job, they have a serious party, they have to work, you know.
I know they're with them, man. They're proud of them, man.
Eh?
Proud of them, man.
Just want to see it.
Man, I'm respecting how we get to work, you know. Yeah, man, they tell us to come back to this. Yeah, man. Man, I'm respecting that. Anytime we get in our work and start doing
machine. How where you come from?
Yeah, off the road I come from there.
You ever go on the road?
Yeah, just easy, you know. All the hand washing as soon start, man. I go buy one house and buy one washing machine.
You're right,
So you can stop wash it down. Serious thing, man. I'm not joke thing. So, alright though.
I'm for alright, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Where is it, man? Let's go get washing machine.
Leave a clothespin. You know see all the clothespin them done.
So, I'm deep I come buy one here.
I don't know unless them broke up and they on the ground. Show me a picture of my clothes them over the line.
I plastic one much wood. They don't good one. Next time I'll buy a wood one.
Every day they pan road like you have to man pan road.
I'll be so much.
Yeah, alright, you know.
Yeah, a business will go look good.
What can I be? What do I get the house?
Soon get the house, man.
When are the soon?
Soon. I can't tell you yet. You don't know.
I
But
saw
I
you
can't
look
report.
for you, it's like for idiot.
Me not take a feed that B. Yes, B.
What a good news for me.
We take the security work.
What security work?
A big security company, I will be a top security, head security.
So you know tell me say I go security work?
You can't tell me, remember good man?
I know me I tell them I say that woman them out the road.
Which other woman I
Are you
talk
ever
about? Come
the
on,
pan
B.
road?
Come on, B. Then when I go on the work, when I see me go on the road, I work, I go look B.
So when you gonna start?
I start Monday.
Monday. Make sure. Hey, see them something I want bad pan and I want clothespin. Them something I can't do them something I'm tired them something. You saw me after washing a bucket, leave a washing machine. I can't tell them life and I'm going on.
I buy washing machine.
You ever go do something? Bring the clothespin, look in the clothespin the other day. Go, you go look sick. Make sure you left out here and go security works.
So you don't believe me?
Come, because some of these you can't get the clothespin them to hang out the clothes and because the clothespin them broke up.
So you don't believe me, B?
You're alright, I say you're good. Just make sure say Monday morning you come out, you go get the work. You're alright, something in our house
So
here.
everything I go alright.
Everything will go alright. You better make sure.
Everything
I'm
I go
tired of them
alright.
life, yeah. Clothes, watch it. Every minute the clothespin them pop up.
Alright, I'm going to get one pass.
Go get one pack, come on now, I'm telling you to take my clothes them over line, man.
Alright,
Watch it.
Stop myself this up here.
Go get the clothespin then, come on, don't do it.
Alright. Yeah, even.
Yeah.
Are you cook, man?
You're singing for cook.
Then, babe, am I on this?
Where you are?
Then you mean to tell me, say, 1 dozen egg, go me buy, put on in there. I will let them, you boil and eat.
So what
You want another left for me?
So one dozen egg for share for the 2 hours? One dozen egg for share for the 2 hours?
B, you're not supposed to eat so much egg one time.
No, my big, you left something else here for eat, sir?
You make your boil.
Oh, you want to give me a boil?
Yes.
Let me tell you something. What time? At 4 o'clock. And you see them 1 dozen egg here? I'm supposed to get something else to eat for my dinner by 5:30. So go and celebrate the sunshine.
So me no hungry too.
Where you come from?
I find where me come from, me go get work.
Okay, so you're supposed to get food.
Alright, B.
Make sure I listen for you to not come hungry.
You know, say I'm a wicked girl though. You're wicked, you know?
Why you coming here for spoil, man?
Imagine, nothing now about me. You know what, me not get to work yet. You come pressure me like say, Me have money like that. Me have money.
Hello. Remember so when me meet you, I tell you some I love my belly. And
Yes,
you
you
promise me the word and tell me how much this you gonna eat. When we come here with me and you, pay egg and
Me
mac.
can't get no but don't worry yourself, man. I'll get through the work, man. So when I get to work, I one flat egg you can eat for you.
Just you're there, Sata, you're not get the work.
You know I do nothing
You're not get every day you go up on the road. Yeah, look work. What the work then?
No worry yourself. The work will come through.
Hello.
Look at me do it test already, you know. I call me, I wait for they call me, you know.
I saw 5:30, you know, and I want my dinner. I want you know, come I can't eat egg for the go thief. Anyway, you go, you come from.
You know I'm good girl, you're a wicked girl. You know what a man go do? Thief. So when we go thief now, police let me, your money can come bail me? Your money to bail me out of jail?
How many people is that?
So you don't love me?
I just had something to eat for my dinner.
Yeah, B, what me I go do?
Go hustle, your man.
Go
and go hustle, you're a man. You act like a man. I don't know how I'm there with you. Actually, I don't even know. Just make sure I get some feet. Unless I not sleep in here tonight.
No yourself, hungry days soon over.
Yeah, man.
Broke days soon done.
Come in here back here and bring one I send you go buy. You hear? And your suits for your sleep. Bright. Egg for dinner. First man. What kind of man this me take up? I have to find a man. Careless.
See knife, do not see me. Go buy one chopping board. Do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The food so done?
Just be food so done.
Hurry up, come on hungry.
Food so done cook now. The rice steam already. I just say salting the thing first.
Alright.
Put up the seasoning already and everything.
Cause them egg you wear out of me.
You can eat some.
That.
I made the landlord picking it. Oh my god, I had
Good
it.
evening.
Yeah, but I could not pick it like this, you know. Somewhere right there that I come from, I never come here for one up. Nice, congratulations for keeping the place nice and clean.
Hold on. Me. Hello.
Yes, me.
Somebody come out here to you.
Why would I?
Just
The
come out
landlord
now.
picked your rent, sir, your rent.
I'm not coming.
Yeah, make it take your time. Won't walk fast. Rent.
Jesus Christ. Landlord, me not no money, I know, you know. You can't give me one next month.
We
Because me have to go to work. Me have to
can't
go
get
to
1
security
week. We
work.
can't get 1 month. Yeah, we work with the week. Take it or leave
Alright, me
it.
2
Yeah.
weeks.
1.
Yeah, me 2 weeks. When me get to work, me now get pay same time, you know.
No,
That's
that's
two-
that's
and
a
that
why
2
or
weeks.
your problem, not me. Come on.
Me not no money for me now.
2 week.
Yes,
2 week.
yes.
You sure?
Me sure.
If me come here by 2 week, I'm not get you what me fi do to you.
No man, I get the money, man.
No, so I say if me come here, I'm not get you what me fi do to you.
And no, if you come and not get it, I will get it. You
No,
not come
so
and
if
get
me
it.
don't get it, what me fi do to you?
Me no know. And you give me an extra week.
Yeah. I get also you want veranda. 2 week. No more, no less. 2. 1, 2.
Alright, 2 weeks.
Yeah.
You see the embarrassment? Yes, you see the embarrassment?
Be
You
where
see
I
why I
talk
tell us I can't, I have to left you. You see the
Can you
embarrassment?
let me for? You will leave me for?
You see the embarrassment where you cause? The embarrassment them there now?
Just believe in me, you don't believe in me.
I can't walk per road now because I got hear some owe rent.
You know watch people.
Me not watch
Make people talk what they want to talk.
Come out of my face, you irritate me. Please and thank you. Just go on. My
You
half
just-
left you.
Then go on now. I better say, if you left you now, and when you see me start work and start one money, I will come back to me.
When?
I will come back.
A long time you try to say you have one money. You know what it is, I walk one. I said the money take
The
like
time is now.
Go on.
The time is now, because me sure me I get the work.
Excuse now. I'm going to do what you have to come want something to eat. Disgusting.
B,
Yo.
you want black pepper night?
Yeah. Just hurry put this up when I'm hungry, you know?
Yeah, I know me a cooking knife and a cooking.
Right now, yeah, I don't want the food.
See yourself, babe.
Cut.
Babe,
Yo.
seafood.
Thanks.
You're welcome, babe. Oh, taste alright?
How you do it? How you do it? Bring on this now. Yeah, you taste bad food. You can't not no good.
You tell me start give me money. You go tell me some food is good.
Hurry up and come give me it. You know what I'm here for your money, sir? Hurry up and come give me it.
You love me fine.
But you know, if I'm money, me did love you for. You think what I die here, sir, right now? You don't have money I give me, remember? I pay egg and them someday a favor pan.
No, you know, I know my job again, you know. Don't drop, man. No. I'm not the security here anymore. Them I said I want to get somebody different because I resign. But when I do, you know, I'm going to start work with camera. Where you know, take it for the time. Because what go on now, I learn the lesson the hard way. After me they are secure the property. Never they are secure woman the yard. So when me down at work, somebody there yard occupy a nice space. So when I pay them, you know, fees to 100. Left off for work before time. I'm going to my house, come up and job right. The lucky things are grilled up on your house, else would have commit a crime. Come think with that dust and a lie before them one time.
No, you got jail for that.
But anyway, they get to run and survive it. She said she gonna live better life with the man, because the man got time for her. Because I have no time for her, no work. And like, you sit them on phone. Because she couldn't see me in front of my face and tell me that. Because every money me get, as she get it. Every fortnight that the money dropping on me and so, I put in a fear and so. I'm saying, be a running yard, give me just put on one of the things for me. Put out things for rainy day, really, this, that. But don't forget to work. Nobody can give me that again.
She realized she knows I'm good money now, so now what you're saying?
Well, that's a fair mistake. I hope that drug grind beat out her backside and that I want to see. Because some of the time they jump out of fire and jump in a frying pot. Either way around some of the time. But this is way to mean in fire, you know where it goes. But you're good though differently.
Yeah, me a go.
Oh, I see you buy your local snacks though.
Yes, I am.
As a young girl, you can't cook. Eh?
So yeah, can't cook it up. But the day that I'm for that right.
So that can full of belly?
So now,
You know, be careful. You can eat some of that, you know, but eat some coconut. Dry coconut and grate it and squeeze it
you
out.
find coconut tree in the yard,
No, then the coconut them sell a market, man.
you give me money to buy it. You know, see how things expensive, you give me money to buy it.
But as a hot little girl, boy, you do some broke man. You see, you know, we talk to you, because me and your friend, you know.
Point is that me not depend on none, me walk, me wall.
No, it's not. What you say about it? What you about it? One padlock, right? And then you must make people pay to put them key in your padlock. You idiot? You go have the padlock and make people go in night and no at all?
Why not go in there? That's the point.
Listen, you have a padlock and every padlock
And
need a
padlock.
key. You need a key though.
This one I need no key.
No, but you know, I saw two wanna go work. So if you no get one next padlock put against a padlock, then you know, fire! Go strike on that. So when you get the right key, make sure you come with a little money. And also you depend, you know. Him go depend on you if you have a good padlock. Right? So him have to ensure that the padlock is well taken care of. Else the padlock must stay locked.
Alright, I hear you.
Anyway, there two of them camera are the problem. I'm going to say a monetize and not try. You know, because you know, nobody go up on the place and go and nothing when I go and want security can see them when they're in my work. Don't make me put some hidden camera in some place. So we have them camera put in some place. Some people think they hide all the flowers spot them hide or so. I'll just let the camera go there. So that me specialize to ensure. Because when we done do this time I come down here, I not really a whole night I watch nothing at all. I not really a whole day neither. I want security to do that. So no call me security, but they call me cameraman. If you want to come up here, this one I got your man in the yard, if I give you a problem, you can walk around. Just buy two cameras for me. And put your... But you're not going to know me say if you want, if you suspect something you want, have concrete evidence, said boy, see ya. You hire me and me put up two of them cameras there and nobody can see them.
It's like a kind of cameraman, you don't call a watchman.
No, I'm not a watchman. I'm not a watchman. But they call me watch girl, because I watch girl. So I watch woman, the new girl, any new girl I get enough, so I watch them. I nah keep me eye off of them. That's why she work for me there now. Alright, right upon her panty, I want to put a camera. As a man slap you, so I know, I say, girl, yeah man, I do something right now, man. So call me watch girl, I call me watch man, I watch man. Anyway, me go talk. But do the right thing though, not eat too much of them something. I eat some now and then, but cook some real food, man. Alright? Better make time. That would the young people know I make no time. Make time. Alright, later.
Cameraman no.
Girl, they know say mommy tell me to go and talk to you. Where you say I'm not with you?
Why say can't chat?
You never know that for a long time. I force my missing chat some more. I'm surprised you're not calling this news.
I'm trying to come away from
Girl, mommy tell me to go and talk to you. I think we have got to. Where you say you see me one day so? Alright.
she's not shoes. I'm not going to go with her.
You know say I'm in a fall girl.
Me, he can't, but I don't want to stick in. Sometimes, no,
Girl, me there half day. What? I'm mommy tell me that really make me sick of you. Me and I.
So you really make your mother say nothing and you say you could have
That's
just
what I'm going to do.
hang your yarn.
Yeah, go on there. Go on your yard.
I like that.
So. some.
Work with them and the rest of what I'm doing or something.
Oh, but you don't say I'm working there. Anyway, you know what I'm mommy send me to your door.
Well, tell your mama say you don't see me.
Why you be back to tell her say me not see you?
Hello. I change my work. I'm change my life.
You can't just get a chance.
Tell her to go give Joe Grind a chance.
Please, no, let's get a chance. And
Hello.
then she ever mess up again.
Hello. Me pick you up, pick up you and your mother when you look for so, and your mother like string. And I ensure so you look how you get. Bye.
But I know me mess up and me mother mess up.
Yes, that's why I'm not no rich with you.
Oh.
But tell your mama say, me and I think no
Just
more.
get one of these shots and say.
Hello. May I ask you a question? If a dog bite you, would you make the dog bite you again?
No, I'm gonna kill him before he bite me again.
Alright. You may just want to know, say, me nah refer to your mama's dog,
Me know, man.
but me nah analyze her, me will make you go on her merry way.
But I don't
Since-
know chance she not ask for.
Tell her, say, go for chances, whether it's to keep the party them on the beach.
Yeah.
Up here's where she get chance. Not with me. I saw work with there, you hear?
Alright.
Work with there. Tell her, say nice to me.
Oh, let's see. I'm going to send me out in a real to come for a big of you, man.
One over here, so one over here, so we're not work good enough. Good.
Alright, bad we bad in them and bad we grab. They are for my family, them plaza, go and hold it out to see it. Say you need every day on a job. Only for you, me not laugh. Sick here.
Yeah. I did.
Oh, go on, man. You get the work, man.
What do you mean? Everything I get here, man.
Hold on, man.
Yeah, man.
Respect.
That's a quote, man.
I mean, I'm not bored.
So I'm going to feel good business.
Brother, they are the business right now. I name food, you know, brother. Without this a business differently for my family, them place, you know. I make him here run, you know. I 6 where we know.
So you say, you know think you want the place as security work too?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't really like the security thing still. I mean, I straight bus, you know how to do it. Oh, it's strap and move, you know. We have our family place, you know, we have the thing them big, you know.
Yeah, man.
Bigger than certain machines. You don't look at machine them, but them are big, I think them loud, you know, you know, I think go.
Yeah, man.
Our family place.
Alright, tell me, I'll get on a big one, then, man.
It's like how you run off the place down and I get to work here.
Yeah.
You know, so when you come and say, brother, you do for buy me a liquor and doing something there, you know, city.
That's a normal for you, man.
Yeah, you do for, you know, you do for make me drink something. You know, you got city car,
Yes,
and
man.
me and you there saying, man.
Yeah, man, a normal for you.
And me make you get to work, you know, city. So, you know, so you do for make me drink something. How you go?
Oh, you say, man. You just start work, so as soon as me get paid, me come page you. Get that
Alright, watch
work,
out now, darling, city. Watch out now. Nah, grown in my youth. Nah, grown thing, you know. But you know, say, and me make you get to work, you know, that.
I know that, man.
Think about to come page me, you know, brother.
You know
You
that,
know,
man.
say, you have to deal with the thing in the car. We have to wait till the thing that in the city, you know. You don't do it, you know, brother.
No, man, I do that, man.
Yes, you
When I say me go do that thing,
say,
I
yo,
will do it.
you're forward. Yes, you know, city.
Yeah, man.
You don't know, you have to
Yeah,
reach
man.
it as a businessman, you know, brother. You
Yeah,
think them are flawed, you know.
I mean, man. I know, kept me, I kept those, you know. Just first, anytime you get paid, you know. So, yo.
No, that now are you alone make a talk to? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what? Seriously? Okay, babe, love you too. Alright, see you later.
Okay, babe, love you too. See you later.
How
How you tell say love you too on phone?
you know, sir, don't think this. Why you over here in conversation from my mother me I talk to?
I come in here and you say, okay, babe, love you too.
I must joke this. You know, so this is a real joke. This a real joke.
I'm man, you give me bun. You give me bun.
It's my mother. Don't call my mother, because you come like say you're an idiot. It's my mother me I talk to.
Call her.
No, but you buy my phone? You buy my phone?
Call her, no?
I'm going to call her, because this I must joke. Mommy, I never you me I talk to a while ago. Come here. Come in up on phone by speaker. Now you me I talk to a while ago. Okay.
Oh,
love you.
You're lucky. Sorry, yeah, mommy. You're lucky.
I can't stop. Where you there?
Don't know.
How was it there? Cause
It's me bring some nice rose for you.
thank you. Them wet though, but them nice.
Yeah, actually rain that far.
Yes. So anyway, what you bring for me?
Where's it?
What you bring for me that me upset?
So, me can't go my woman again.
So I can't tell
I
you.
bring roses for you.
Them here pick up of the tree?
Where is it? You soon get expensive rose.
Yes, so I can't stand you. How was
stand
it? Anyways, how was it? Put them up here, sir.
It wasn't so bad.
Put them in the cup. Come here, I don't want to just sir. How was it?
Well, I tell you, say, him two boy company compound and I have to rough them up, you know.
You have to rough them up.
I mean, I have to bad up boy, you can't let no boy come text it for me. I take me for soft boy. You mad?
Yeah. So yeah, bad up man a roll and you can bad up the money for come here, for come put it in your house.
You mean just get to work, B? Money will come down. Don't worry yourself, B.
You better keep that up, because you say anyhow, but I tell you from now. You see how I look nice? Enough man out the road want me. You hear? So you see anyhow you lose this work here, you come out. No matter if I do a pay the rent.
No.
No matter if I pay the rent, you're coming out.
Well, me not come out.
I know that. Don't come.
Me not come out.
Anyways, I'm not talking to you. You see the plate them, now the kitchen you left in there this morning, they want to be washed.
So what you there do today?
Lie down, relaxing. Yeah, give me one.
Are you a woman? Are you for wash up your plate?
When the money start rolling, you not give me no money. So
I get paid.
Next you must have to pay them.
So plate my water. No, me not gonna go wash your plate. Me tired. You know, see I work. Me come from.
You want to sleep on the door?
2 foot them whole day today.
You want to sleep on the door tonight? You want to sleep on the door tonight? Yes or no? Do you want to sleep outside? Do you want to sleep outside?
When?
To allow the rest of us in here, can you not provide in here?
But, Father God, if you're not busy, pass here, so.
You provide it in here, sir? What you provide in here, sir?
Why, man? I'm a breadwinner.
Bread what? What are you, bread? What are you winning?
I could have even 1 egg. Me still care something come give.
Hello, mama tell you something, because you come like you. You see until the money starts to flow, in the say you don't have no time.
If I money, you love me if I forget one, you know.
Go wash up the plate them, because you chat too much.
Oh, you think
Go wash up the plate them.
Look here.
Don't sit down, you buy tea, you buy sheet put on the bed. Go wash up the plate them, unless you go on.
You think my little boy?
Go on out. Come now, man, come now. Out the door, you sleep. Out the door, you sleep tonight. You're too out harder. Me tell you, come mess up the plate them and you
No more rent.
Oh, you know. Stay out there. Boy. No one of you. I'm a man.
Sister,
how
you know what's so fast? Oh, yeah, so fast.
I don't know, you have me, I come down there while you left my blouse, you know, I want it, I want your woman wear it.
She not really.
What you do your son?
Just come off for work and see me take a one drink, you know.
But what you do down your start drink? You don't normally drink that water?
Man, just feel like step on road and take a one drink cause just get to work, you know.
No, brother, this is not. You're sure everything alright at the yard?
Everything good, sister, man. Everything good.
You know you as a man who has work over. Are you that guy?
Yeah, you know, man. You know, man. I feel
Brother,
just
I
start.
know what I want with you. You know like how you live.
The good, man. Everything good, sis, man. The good.
Come on, let's show it again. Big feel.
Good, man.
Come on, go to the yard go talk. Cause we have the conversation now. How old that? Are you? Are you? Okay. Hello, where you come from?
How's the road, man, come from?
You come from, and the plate them not wash yet? From you come from home, I tell us if you wash the plate them in the kitchen door. But okay, Mr. Big Man. Where you come now from the door? For you hear me say out the door you sleep, you there?
What's going to be, man?
Yeah man, out the door you sleep tonight. You hear me I tell you? From morning the plate them in the kitchen. I will pay for come wash them. But you come from work and go back. What you I'll rum your drink. I'll rum your drink. Yeah, okay, so you have money to buy special, but you don't have the money for putting on it for contribute to the house.
I'm a friend buy me rum.
Another, go and through back my door.
Go wash your plate.
Go back through the door. You're not sleeping in here.
Go wash your plate then, B.
I should pay the rent. I saw you have share deal with you.
No man.
Why you bring your sister here, Safa?
What wear the pants?
Why you bring your sister in? Why you bring your sister here for?
Me no bring her home.
Why you bring your sister? Why you bring your sister here for? What your sister do ya?
Hello, don't
Girl, hello. Listen, this is
my rent.
So that now I'm not for doing
Let me buy your house.
Hello, miss. Come out of man and woman business. What you do here?
Oh.
Yeah, me call. Me invite her here.
You're sure no man and man business car right now? You are behave like a man.
Where your sister here? Me now
Yes,
what?
please.
Hello. What you doing in my house? Out the door, your sister go. You're not sleeping here.
My girl, come on. Excuse me.
Okay. So you bring your sister here to beat me off. You bring your sister here to beat me off.
Relax, no be.
Come on now.
I want to put you out. You're not stay in here no more. Oh, watch. Okay. Then bring him sister in here to warm me off.
Sure. Come on, brother. Come on, know we ain't chatting with chief. I don't know what you say go pick up by yourself.
I truly love her, man.
Love, somebody will treat you, sir.
You know, I retire.
No man, them say love blind but look like it deaf to call you now. Hear all of what she tell you.
I truly know I'm in doing, man.
Do her something, brother.
You see what I see my father doing, my mother. You see what I see your daddy doing money. I don't want to come so. I don't want to put me on plan.
Yes, but mommy was an innocent female. She that they are tegareg. When them go and say you put them in them place. But I not influence you for beat no
Sister,
man.
she love me, man. I saw she going. I know she love me.
You know, say daddy fault. You say if him did show with how a man supposed to treat a woman, you would have fall for all of them mess up me, you know.
I don't fall my for sis. I love her, sis, man. I love her.
I understand say you love her, you know. But if daddy fault this, you see if him did show with how a man supposed to treat a woman, so mommy could have treat him good too. Cause him treat her bad, you know. So she never get to treat him how she supposed to treat him. But we not go down in that for your business will come about. Brother, you not get rid of that girl then.
I get to that. She love me, you know. I just saw she going.
Boy, me I tell him I think woman fool, but you have the definition of a man you made. Cause she do you everything in the book, but she love
sis,
you.
Man. Come on, sis, man. So she go. I saw woman going in the love, man.
Brother, me no like what I want. Yes, so me and your sister, I have to tell her the truth. Me no like, oh shit, me and that girl I go fighting, brother.
Brother fighter.
Cause me now run no joke with my one brother, you know.
Everything good, man. I just say she go on. She love me, you know.
So brother tell me something, she beat it too.
No.
You sure she not beat
She not beat
you?
me, no. She not beat me.
You not tell me if she beat you?
I just show she can. Me not gonna make no man beat me.
Brother, you have to go get rid of that. Brother, I love you and I have to tell you the truth from my heart. This is not the way how a woman will love a man. Treat him. Me love my man and I treat him like the best thing will ever happen to me.
She could lean her time. When you're in a fear time, you know miserable sometimes.
Miserable is one, but disrespect is another. She treat you like she didn't even treat you like a boy, she treat you like an unborn child.
No man, I true me spoil her. Cause me don't tell her say, you know, she's my princess.
Oh, your princess, so princess behave so. You know man? I'm going to lower up your life alone. Cause it look like you have your wrapped around for your little finger. Go for my blouse, let me get to go about my business now. Cause I don't even want to ask her if it come go for my blouse.
Your blouse,
See there, make sure fling the things one side. You know say you not sense. I'm going to my yard.
You know see.
Oripan come out. And that you have to do Oripan come out.
You
Out the door you are sleeping on. Okay, so what on there? Make sure. So when you there, say you bring your sister for coming here, come beat me up. Okay. Follow back.
You know, you just explain to her, sir. I see you stay.
Follow back her.
Me and you good be, man. Me and you.
You're fun. You're going home. What?
Me I get the money tomorrow.
Which money I get?
The money, me must me work. Me I get paid tomorrow.
How much should I give for your pay?
Me no know, but I want good money though.
Want good money? What you call good money?
What kind of money?
How much?
Me no know, but money we can help me and you.
We can help me and you. So move this. Let's move this some more. Me here want to do it, you know?
Yeah, go do man.
I'm in nails too.
Me I get enough money we can do all that.
I love you, you know, but you need to just stop me and you have argument.
Me know say you love me, D. Me know say you love me.
When I tell you the things, just do it, man.
I true more while me tired,
Because I don't want to cuss you, I don't want to argue with you. I don't bring back your sister in my place.
No man, I just true, she come in here and say, Ray, you know, see me go watch play and something. So,
force them.
She just overprotected and
Tell her to come out of people's business. Because I don't like them something there.
that's what she's saying, man.
Alright. Go and watch up the play them and come lie them in this with me. You hear?
Alright, babe.
I remember saying when I get the pay, you come put them and I'm going to give you your part.
Then you live with them?
No, give me everything and I'm going to give you your part. I mean, tell me I want things for the house, so I take my part and put the things in for the house and I give you to spend. Go and watch up the play them.
I truly love you. I tell you, I spoil you.
I love you too.
I tell you, I'm a princess.
Yeah, you're my king too.
Alright.
You knock me down to the ground. Sing me underwater, another with the drown. You knock me down to the ground. Put my head down on the water, you thought I would drown. I'm okay though, I'm okay though. I'm okay though, I'm okay though, I'm okay though. All the wrong that you have done, all the wrong that you have done, all the pain that you have caused, all the money that you made me lose, just because you don't want me to be the boss. I'm okay though, I'm okay though, I'm okay though. You knock me down to the I'm okay. You're seeing life. God give you a blessing. And you live and you learn, and everything is just a lesson. It get.
Yeah, though. Make sure no man have a yard there, no. Anyway, me there one different place I work, you know. You see it?
Excuse me.
Man. Alright, yeah man, yeah. Alright. Later.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm looking for a specific building where they do they sell like clothes and food and stuff like that. And they say it's on this building. You know where it is?
Well, yeah, go find that you can't read. What do you say? I'm a bigger money. I you know give me. So you have to go find the place yourself. So where's the ball by so far?
What do you mean if me can't read? Where is my pie so? You're not security for Rona, so no Rona say work. You see me come to your decent? You're very disrespectful. Who is your supervisor? Because I don't want to talk to you.
So we want to do that?
Because you don't know if you talk to people, you don't address people properly. You're not professional. Who the heck you think you are? I just asked you a simple question and look how you approach me. You have an animal approach. Who the hell you think you be? So if you're a security, you're supposed to act professional. You're the right as well the people ask a question. Me don't know the place. This is my first time and I just asked you a simple question. You come to me about the other day you beg me money and me not give you so if me can't read.
Alright, me need argument no. Go around this.
Go around this part, you send me around here to let me your picnic. You don't even look like you have a child around you, man. I say you talk to your bitch. Hey, look here, let me tell you something. You don't know me.
I'm not come and come see me talk to.
Me not come see you talk to nobody. If you're on the phone,
yes,
you don't see nobody. Look how you're big and dumb and stupid. For big man like you. You can ask me if me can read. Can you read?
What do you mean?
How you get in this job here? How you get this work here?
What do you mean?
Who is your supervisor? I mean, if you talk to your manager, because you don't know if you talk to people.
What do you want to say, manager?
Me just ask one simple question because I need something to buy. What? You know, you don't want to with me. If you go on, me, I go, listen, me I go file one report about you. Me must know who is your manager or your supervisor because you don't know how to deal with people. You're very disrespectful. So me have to go, I bet you lose your job. I bet they fire you from yourself. You can't see. Look where you are. Look where you are ghetto. Look at you. You are ghetto. Because say you are some country bumpkin boy. Listen, I'll put him in a security clothes. Jesus God, that's the worst mistake me make. When me go ask this animal here, to go approach me. You have an animal approach, you know? If me didn't know it's not a human being, I would never stop right here. So you know, me go around this to go ask somebody else. Because I don't want to go on the wrong side today. Girl, I don't know what happened just a while. Me I look for one place where sell like vegetable and so. I may want to buy one suit for one of my friends. Yes, because her birthday will come up tomorrow. You see, me hear about the place so them kind of not so expensive. In the beer, but it's not so bad. So I come around from the building, but I don't know which exact part I go in. This one little dirty face security boy around and they ask him one question. I want a simple question, I ask him just to direct me away because I work around here. He must know which part around here I work. The boy come face with me about other day and see me and beg me money and true me not give him. If me can't read, me figure walk and look and read and find place to myself within outer than this. I saw them behave. Me say me can't wait to see that the supervisor, the way I supervise him, or the instructor, man.
Wait, how would I run over here? She don't know how me run the place.
Anybody me want to see. Him not fi work on them kind of place where people always say a public place this and Rona ever busy and sit me hear about Rona so hype. So me come and me see whole heap of people around here now, but through my security, me now with myself, but me can ask him question. Boy I come ring with me and he frowns. If you see his face, me no know how them allow him to come and work with him face stay. So he head one trim and he beard them he face full of hair. He them one shave. Outer than bright, and they come ring with me. Yeah, girl, I come here and come and want taxi, me just call, and the taxi say me to wait round and so me I wait for the taxi to come to me. Me soon come. Alright. Yeah man, when me come. Watch your see man here, me I come there.
Where are over here?
You look like they set you upon me. Where you know me from? Me name is Mama Whitefall.
Come on, have people in compound, man.
Yeah, we just said thank God you said the right thing.
Eyeglass.
Thank God you said the right thing. Come on for the people them. You never say come on for fear compound.
Me say come on for people in compound.
It is not your premises. And me have a right to come around here. So.
If you watch the place, they say no lightering.
Lightering?
No eyeglass allowed.
No eyeglass. Me light eyeglass to you. Right now the work when me in, it's better than this way you do.
You say name make for
a matter of fact, if work as long as you get your honest bread. But you come like a one big dirty stinking criminal in a security clothes. Who put you in there?
Hey, come on, that people in place.
You can't do it.
Come on, that people in place. Come on, that people in place, sir. Come on, that people in place. So we are for.
You don't know who you are ramping.
Watch out. Oh man, this serious man. How would this man do? Woman supposed to make it lick me.
Who you just touch? Who you just touch?
Woman.
Who you touch? Eh? Dirty security boy.
Oh, suppose to make this man.
One stone to bust your stinking brain. Where you go? Where you go? Where they go?
Woman.
You think me afraid that you're drunk out?
Yeah, I don't want to lose my work, you know. What? I'm only having.
Yeah. Why? Put it up. Put it up.
How do you
Put it up. I fear you. Eh?
I fear you some money.
Fear we wish us our money. Eh? You see, say I want thief for a long time. Me fling sitting down for you and money. And money then.
Are you putting there?
Put it back. You dirty criminal. You want thief. You. Lefty. Drunk crow. Lefty. In your security, where if you watch it now, watch. If you had the security, you would have fined me.
You take your too.
Yes, if you had me fine me, I stole me and look for.
Swan out this.
Watch how you go along for money you greedy. Take them.
Yes, give me the rest of them.
Take them drunk crow. And only hate you.
You know, I'm not talking about me not even, give me them a people money. Let me give back the people them.
Which people? Give back which people?
The people that left the money there, a good lad there did it.
Which people?
Come, give me people the money.
Hey boy, you're not to wear that, you know? You're not to wear that.
I want
Another, come take it. Come take it, come, in. See it here.
Police never call.
Go and go call the police. Come take it. Come take it, drunk bro. You want criminal, are you fine?
Go on, no man.
Are you fine? You have to come pick up your money like are you fine?
Hey.
Where you think you see me further you to your security? See? Go along with it.
Let me go.
Go on with it. Because me see you're hungry. Dirty dog. But me think you need bright and face. Take up back to sit now 5 people in the top. Right. This little dirty thinking drunk. Oh. I'm tired. Oh, no man. Not even clock me now dash way. I want blessing clock this, you know, I don't believe in a luck. No man, he come like a smarty hide this money and left it right here, so. Boy, you know what? Let me put up it before. Nobody go come around here, so come ask me if I see no money. I call back my friend. Pick up my bag. I left a place here. Don't think why about him come push me. Girl, answer phone. Answer phone. Yeah, what happened? Shania, you don't know, so I don't bother wait for no taxi. Remember, some of the tell us say taxi me weapon, but the little dirty stinking drunk security boy with the round and so. Come over here so as me about to hang up the phone when me did talk to you. Girly boy come and push me, but me fi come and find people them property. When me a do ya so, can you have me up saying beg me money from the other day? Remember me did I tell you? Yeah, and 2 me no give him. This little dirty security boy ain't ever hungry. Me no know make them always hungry, so I love beg people. And I work in the work. We feel money they, you know they getting salary. Eh? Girl, me say me a sitting for tell you. Me say me nah bother wait for no taxi. Me just find one heap of US. Yeah girl, 100 US, 100 US. I want Rockstone, me I look for a bus a little stinking old dirty dog head. And when me take up this thing the way I'm ignorant and fling it and find me not even hesitate. As me take up here and fling it and find I be money fly out and if you want to see a little dirty greedy security boy I grab you up. Boy nah give me just make him go and live because hungry I kill him, you know what? Me don't want nobody come around and come from the ask for money and say they left money there and sitting on me one day so. You know, you know this, you know, no police come like me up, come like, am I blessing this in your family? I mean, nah, but I wait for no bike. I don't want no taxi, me I go home now.
I know. Yes, I'm gonna feel good. Yeah, bossy. Yeah, I don't feel good, you know. Feel sick. So you have to, you can send on the next security come. Go relieve me, please. Yeah. Alright. Get a house, you know. Go look for nerdy. Like go look.
So what for going?
So I go move her. I move girl on there.
When?
Tomorrow.
Alright.
So start pack up your things then from today.
Alright. So what do we right here, so?
I call the landlord and make the landlord know say me I move, you know. So I will make my sister in control you know. Give her 2 week rent.
So I'm to the rent where they were before.
Then I tell you about yeah.
Alright, so I get a piece of food too. First I get job now, you want to move now.
Yeah. I move to another place and find somewhere better.
But you, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Alright, so where you go there now?
Me I go in her room.
You call her?
You know what call her?
Alright, do that. I'm there.
Alright. Hello. Yeah, sharp man. You are going now, you see? I can move, you know. So you are going to make you get a 2-month rent. And then I'm going to let my sister in charge, you see me? Yeah, can I get one piece of food? You see it? Alright. Yeah man. Ah, cool.
The place is nice. So what happens at horse?
Yeah.
The music open.
Yeah.
I like the ceiling and thing.
Nice, pretty nice.
Yeah, nice.
We have a bathroom right here. So.
Oh. You know this one clean up, you know? Spread some sheets on the wall and stuff. But it's alright. You know? It's better from where I come from nothing to something, I guess.
Bigger space, so. More
Wall
space.
house.
Yeah.
We are coming to a piece of board member.
Yeah, man.
It's not bad, yeah, the thing. I like that. When we are moving today?
Yeah.
So I go for the things then.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that's when I rent the car. And he close them, they don't pack up already, so I want to pick them up and fire back. So just go and look around the place, man. You can go all out the door and look around, you see?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Alright, soon come.
Yeah, later.
Yeah.
You're not bad at all. This one change, you know. Can't go on, you're not bad. Not bad. Go see what going out there doing, you know.
Video man, this is fire video. Right on the bumper, boy.
Nice lady.
How was the rest of it? Good man.
Yeah. I'm the neighbor. Welcome to the neighborhood. Yeah, I first Pinky.
Yeah.
Then call me Firewood.
Firewood.
Yeah.
I have that wood part there, you know.
Over my yard me there and I see a walker pass. Yeah.
I'm new to the neighborhood. I live down this side there.
I mean,
I live
no.
below the color of the house.
You come on the wrong time, me I tell you though. Cause I move from your side and I get to a different place, you know. I move from your side. I rent here so I build one little house, one little spot, you know.
Oh, I mean, my boyfriend moved come here, you know.
Oh, I don't know about him though. I don't know about you. Oh, you sexy some mama?
I don't know.
Huh? No, me I tell you. Everything I work. You understand? Cause
So Firewood a drive?
yeah, me drive, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, we drive one market but in the garage. Yeah man, what day me have me bounce one cow. Pan the cows. Pan the foot though, not really bad.
You love bunks thing?
Yeah, I want bounce in you. No, not too fast with that but.
Too fast?
Yeah, but that's how it go. Me tell you, they expose a lot of things though. Tell you. But anyway, I move, but still, me ain't feeling though.
You can give me now. Put it in here.
Me ain't feeling. If you have a man, you must have one on the side. That type.
Firewood.
No, see if there's that man. You see if there's that your man, see if you can go.
Him can't say before, I idiot that.
So, know yourself, man. You want to protect you and everything and do everything what you want. Just,
Nice to meet you.
we're not too much on the road still, you know. But anyway, walk with you.
Yeah, look me, I look. You don't look around, man.
Yeah, but nobody I look around and either, you know.
Nobody can look around.
But anyway, we know where you live now.
Alright,
Yes.
right, let's touch base.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I see you coming out of the car, I go over there.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah, and I bathroom there, because the shower part over there, yeah, so you see you out there. Hurry up and jump out and come out. You got good to see the man gone.
Alright,
So you are now.
Alright,
Yeah. We go.
come in want him come here and drive past.
So we go text. I'll text you. I'll text you.
Me, yeah?
We go text you. We'll text you.
Alright, later.
Security. What?
Yeah.
They are going to the paper. So I'm day after today, but then call me in. So I'm just going to monitor to the camera.
Oh, yes, guys. They two there. At night time, I see them and blink. You don't know what I'm doing.
Oh. Alright. I'll never come to deal with today, but I'm working there really. So I'm just go up at the office. But you go to?
Yeah, man.
I said, yo, I go to work with them and I go and monitor. You see? You know, so no tourists going on no white people there.
You see, couple pass through what they are.
Allah.
Yeah,
But
man,
like I have to
that's
start from
cool.
when you know, say, before we start the camera work, you know, I'm here the security run, you know. Yeah, man, I'm here the security, man. You know, I work from morning to night till morning next night. So I time there for 1 week. I work straight through double. I tell you.
You know, make a nice piece of food that time.
Yeah, man, nice of food, but you mash up my hand, so I just put off fight. So that's why I have my work and all, we do like video reel and the camera, them and them something. Anything we go on 9 minutes, we can see. Pay better.
So, hold on. Tell me something. So I'm making a leave again. I fire?
No, man, we don't resign. Because when I do the work now, this is the security work, man. Save up my money, go back at some class and get me surfing ticket for install camera and them thing there. You know what I say?
Oh.
So I will if I work with and this is a place I do. But day after that. But with this I work on me, you know, like, I work on my own time. So I not put on no suit, I just come through, you know, check through things, and if it's something more technical, I go from the motor car, store anything, and pull on everything and install everything. Yeah, man. So that means I deal. But I say them two have bling.
Yeah.
Alright, now say I work. Before I check my office and deal with it.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I gotta work, you know.
You know, I come play the game with the access to play last night.
What game?
This.
Me no do them or something. Yeah.
What you mean I do them
Me
something?
no play them a game. Where you get the dice from?
I'm a friend give me it.
Look here, this not go work. Care back, go get your friend.
Your relationship
Yeah, but-
boring. Every day
Me
you
not do
want
something
to go work and I know my ear can't do, this can't do. But you want to go work every day. You're boring. Me don't want a boring relationship.
Oh, you mean me boring? True, me not do something there?
Relationship supposed to be spicy.
No, me
Like
can't
what
do
like
it.
you want to go to work go fight. You want to go to work
Me
go fight a
can't do it,
man
brother.
then?
Where you say a while ago?
Do what you do. Just go and do it.
Hey, look at me, I come go work here, man. Come you know what kind of foolishness them they are going to say to me.
Yes, up, you're too boring, man.
Me say me not do it.
Then go on. Come lock my door. Give it. Hello? Rasta?
Wagwan, babe.
No, I'm not there. How are you there?
You know, some of the round the road there, so I wait for him to call. I don't see a man pass if you go work yet.
Him gone. Cause him boring. I can't take no boring man.
Alright, I will go and check you as soon as we see him pass. Where my work? Double my work tonight, or my work just one shift?
I'm probably double. Maybe double.
Me not take the chance with 2 shifts.
A double.
A double? So let me say me sleep over here tonight and put you in a trouble.
Just bring the money when you come, cause my ear won't do.
I mean, don't know. You have man a yard and I have to spend every little thing for you different. You know, so...
Another man I are going to something and you are going night.
When I see him, man, I have to see him first. As soon as I see him and he walk past me, that's when me go make some bam and forward down there. Alright, I'm so forward though.
You know, like him not touch me, just hurry up and come and bring something for me eat.
Oh, we for me there no, nothing there for buy for eat, man.
Alright, me I look about something then.
Alright, look about some parch me same time.
Alright, babes, hurry up and come.
We for me there no, nothing there for eat, you know.
Alright, just come, me go look about something then.
But yeah, look about some parch for eye.
What kind of price you want?
The white caramel one, you call it cereal, me don't know what you call it. Cream of wheat.
Alright.
Alright. I go forward. Now, as him pass, me come down there.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah. I'm okay. Feel like me go make him can't burn up me after time now. But boring. Every day they gotta work. Every day work. I'm not see what y'all bring in here.
Ah, boy. That's why I'm glad I stopped the security work, you know. Because when you have security, you get bun. Straight through. Oh, that's
Phone
security.
Ah, David.
Yo, me love how you deal with it down there, you know. From the
man.
plants and no boy can't move. You know, walk it back into that, don't get back. Remember, when about them people there, you know, you have to walk in the back, you know, because if they see you on the road and they lick you out tight, you know.
I know, man.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, you know, see me, I suspect me woman I give me bun though.
Your woman a give a bun?
Yeah, man, I feel so.
I think so though. I see your woman a good girl like the man. That girl look like she not, you know, but I see her all the while. But you can't swear for nobody still.
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
But I tell you, say, if we shall behave, if he's a shaggy me bun.
Oh.
Yes.
Well.
So, right now, you still do camera work? You still install camera work?
Yeah, man. Like, me work like PI, private investigator personnel. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
My install 2 camera down my yard.
I make sure no say did it.
Yes. I dem want spot where she can't see.
You can't see. So you have somebody look on them. We have somebody look
Yeah.
on them, man. Special look on them. We catch your woman at tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So if we do it for you, man. Just no say it gonna cost you. Right? Because if you catch me, the problem that. So me have to go discreet. You know, it's an extra word that.
Alright. Problem.
What I gonna do? I gonna get them in, because I have none in stock now. I go get and then install them for you. So give me about till tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, because I have some things, some shipment are coming and them are strip it. So even today, so something's coming. I don't know why another package there. But tomorrow, by tomorrow, I'm sure say next week would have come. So by the evening, I get it there.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So if you come today,
You can't get it installed today. But if you don't come today, you know it's tomorrow. But know yourself, man. I mean, I think so about make you sure put one at the doorway.
Yes. And if you can put one, you get the chance to put one on the inside too.
Yes, alright. But inside connection them kinda more tricky, but yeah, we have some of them one we can work inside good. Yeah, man. Know yourself, man. Know yourself.
Yeah, man.
Deal with it.
When I come in from work,
We can make it send to your phone, man.
Yes,
Make it send to your phone.
phone.
So that means you there work on your job, you
Yeah.
still can secure the place and secure your woman front.
No, man,
No, we had no
yourself.
yourself.
Nobody come there.
Yeah, but no safe it the same way, man. Because them boys already mash up the front there, you know. Yo, go through. You know where you go.
That's how work.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So,
man. Deal with it, you know.
yeah, man. Know yourself, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, Dad.
I mean, man.
Now come.
Original fire.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. I mean, man. Run.
Yes, I'm back asleep, yeah.
You look like a lazy, so tired and something.
I'm tired, man. Oh, I'm gonna prepare it, right?
You look about it already?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Man gone. Rasta take charge. You put milk in it?
Yeah.
Alright. Just the way I like it, man. You make it thick.
Listen, I can't stand the man, you know. I can't wait for him go on, man. I know he is. But I don't think we can't play the game, yeah.
Alright, we can play the game, but we have a penalty. So like if you throw it and the person who want to do, they have to do something different. Because everything pan that I don't do. I do some of them I don't do all of them. Alright?
So yes, anyways, every time I'm can we want to pay that. So what going?
Well, a while ago, Superior man, look like he's suspect, you know.
What do you mean suspect?
Because he tell me, say, yo, because you know some of the camera work. Him said to me, say, yo, right now, him want to know if you are game ball.
What do you mean game ball? You tell him say me a game ball?
No.
Oh, so what do you mean?
He said something in suspect. So he want to know, so I'm going to set up some camera, island camera for him, that he said.
So you got, so all you got hide the camera and you come here?
Listen now, if I'm me and hide the camera, I'm going to know how to set it. I know about the blind spot there. So when I come here now, I'm not going to come to the door again, you know. I'm going to jump to the window. Put the camera, listen man, put the camera right at the door. You understand? And I come to the window.
I tell him, but I don't want nobody to watch me.
Make him watch you. That's not for the
First time you're the old man want to bring in here.
No, I'm putting me.
I joke me and make. I can't remember with him. I love watch people too much. I didn't all the day here.
Oh, because him was there long. And you love feel long hours.
You bring the money?
No, where fair, man.
My colleague first, you know?
A business you do now?
No, but I want to, you know, see my ear want to do. I'll be a bum in my face, my eyelash, look at my fingernail them. 2 left back on it.
I'm just get them done, right?
And you pop them off, so what you mean?
You don't know why we have a full relationship while security that work. We better me when this full out, you know. But now we don't give me the same bun, same way. No.
I'm not getting him, I'm too boring. And I'm not paying me no mind. Can't bother with him. Him just want to come, lie down and hug up on them something. I don't want them something there. I want a man. I'm not a man. See my man? So why can't the project take so long?
It is good. Alright, then I know. So what's the next one?
Who do we are doing? You go for money. I want to go for money first.
No, do it first.
What you want to do we are first?
Use 1 stone till 2 birds. Next time I'll pass my pass and chop off.
Make sure.
What's your? Like I go on last night, so it's something like that.
What for going with? You didn't hear me say the man not touch me. Pass my finger, man. Can you two nose, you know? Wait, throw the dice first.
Hmm?
Wait, throw the dice first.
True enough?
Alright,
Yeah, we do that style there. That's the style they go.
Alright. Come. But cut it down wrong.
Please, man. Look at sad mistake. And then that we get that we lose. Should I get a look at?
Honestly, girl, my girl, I'm gonna tell you already. Girl, I'm gonna support your cook out, girl. Just believe, no? I told her look at idiot man I get paid. Make a bad. You can bring send me tickets with Shari tomorrow. In the morning. Yeah, girl. What on me? You so caliber.
Where are they?
Oh.
On the phone.
I tell her, say, who's they on my phone? Stay on my phone, I'm my friend, though.
Where are they?
Where money?
See money here.
Is that everything?
Yeah.
Let me make sure I check it with. So 500 I get to pay?
Yes.
Alright. But with my friends some money. I know grocery and something I want in my house. So no one will have on the phone, you will have on this.
What are you?
What wrong with one?
Remember, see, I have to pay my fee, I have to buy lunch.
Remember, $700 that's not me. $100 US. $15,000. That can go and buy your lunch, pay bus fare till fortnight. You have other woman that give you money, man?
No, B.
Come here for piss me off. Anyways, come here on me. May I do that now? Can you get paid?
What is it?
Oh, you know, sir. Mr. Convenient, though. Me I walk on the road today and sit and say me I go in a town go buy food and come look. I see one Rasta man come give me this here and tell me say he can deliver the food and thing. So I give him the money and go buy the food. Quick time come back in less than 5 minutes. Yeah man. If you want your thing for deliver in a Negril, just call 510 3687. Good, quick. And deliver anything. You see it?
Oh, groceries, restaurants,
clothing, pharmacy, gifts. Yeah, Mr. Convenient. Them buy things and them deliver. Yeah. Anyways, I'm just right now. So you know, say, me not really depend on good terms, but now the money come and see, you know? It's because that no. What is? Father God. So I mean take for idiot. I mean I really take for idiot though.
No, I take it for that day.
So we start add money in here now.
Me not add no money.
What is for?
Let me explain to you. You know, say, a tip me get. Me saw a man come my place with the woman. He's a foreign woman. So, he might deal with the woman some way I never like it, so I jump in it. And I feel end up kick out the boy out of that place. Because I want you that, you know, I just for a foreign woman. I know a foreign woman, they don't really fight.
So, hold on. I don't understand. So you left here so for go work or for different foreign woman?
Then my duty is when some people are telling they problem from home come to people in business place.
Okay.
Me I forget them off a compound.
So wait. Then Senegal work. Come here. Get up. Get up. So them Senegal work to secure foreign woman. I look like idiot?
You know, understand? If I did you, just put yourself in my shoes. If I did you, you're there work and you see that, you would intervene night.
In a man and woman business? For why? I guess so now. Get some since we start add money. You see that $200 here, that go on the $400. It is mine.
But that I know how to pay that.
I never asked you that.
I may tip that.
I did not ask you that. And shop lock. Here?
What do you mean shop lock?
Shop lock. Because you tell me for idiot. By the way, you're not versatile. But think you say I have double tonight. What?
Me not ready to pay.
No, go on. Go on. Please.
Me not ready.
Yeah, irritate me so. Yeah, piss me off. Go on.
Alright, I come go to the road.
Yeah. Go on here. Back the defender. The man should have looked in your face. No. Can't stand it. I'm going to call my restaurant, you know. I forget the girl for her ticket.
Burn it down.
Hello?
What's going on now?
Babes. Your man gone, you know. You can't come, you know.
You know, somebody put on look at ends up. Give me a half an hour.
Where the part ends are do?
No, you know, it's some little thing me I deal with, man. Nothing to talk about over the phone, man. But not illegal. Something good though.
Hurry up, remember the money when you come.
Hello, me not no money tonight coming to damn yard, me say.
What you mean you're not no
No,
money tonight?
me left the card. I mean,
You left the card.
Yeah, I mean,
Okay, so you come to sleep over and left the card.
no, me can't sleep with it tonight neither. Me have an assignment, so me can spend some time with it tonight.
Hello, hurry up and come. Come in. Me can't talk about this over the phone.
Me soon forward, man.
Okay.
By the time for Queen, me do that.
Bye-bye. Okay. So, me and man forgive money, Bona man no forgive them. Alright. So, nobody now get disappointed tonight. Feel like me idiots. Oh, Dad.
I mean, yeah.
Come in. Come in now. Oh, are you? Nobody just call me babes. You don't have to change up the name. Then I come in. I don't even remember which one I'm going to call me, so.
How much do I call you?
I must say my mama live here. I think.
Oh, so I think call you. Oh, I think you have like more than somebody
Yes,
else.
I think I don't know which one.
I mean, you know, gone out.
I don't know which one. Oh, yeah, go street.
No, you see that every time make me feel that something I come too fast. So this that sheet I will come. No, true. Every time I wonder why I come too
Maybe
fast.
this is a real joke, but I understand.
For real. There's something more that sheet. Go last.
Say, come on, the man plays it with your sheet.
Yes.
They can bring it to him.
No, I left here. The idea one place and time come here. Depends on what you want. If you want one whole night workings, you know, say, you pull out the sheet.
Smell good though.
Yeah.
So hold on. For your money.
Didn't I talk to you a while ago?
No, I never did understand.
Oh, but I tell you, say, the money they on the card, and the card down the yard.
So we never bring the car.
I in the vehicle for a man, and me take out the sheet and me want carry come, and I carry just.
I don't like them so me every time I come here, yeah, tell me about money.
Money they on is this now? Card, watch out. For your boyfriend give me money instead right now. I'm gonna get the money here.
Where you get money for you?
Remember, you know, tell about it when I'm saying one the camera.
Yeah, so I'm getting money for you.
There's a camera out there. When we put out there.
So you don't think about the camera?
Because it's not show nothing. It's about me realizing you're not carrying anybody here for true. Because maybe I look on the camera for
You
real.
understand it's a real joke. So my boyfriend saying you put the camera for watch me and then you
But me tell you, I want to tell you
and then
already.
you want to come watch me too.
No. Me say me tell you about the
So I
camera.
told him want to watch me?
No. Here what? No, that time they just said to me, say, no, I want to watch you. Be my personal dancer now. Dance like a go for me.
But I can't dance, I am not bringing money come.
You want me to tip you? But me could have dash imaginary money. Like a 5,000.
But look like
B,
idiot.
I'm dashing a 5,000 and you
But
don't
look like idiot. You want me for idiot, him want me for idiot.
No, but now talk about your money. Come.
No man, if him have to give me money and him not get
So
none.
you don't talk about money, so?
Cause him not get none and you get something. So him have to give me money and to give me too.
Listen up. You might give little money, so me I give big money, so. But chance of the give money you would have dropped down your money heavy. You alone can't care about call to your cousin and every carry money. And so me I talk about money. Me not talk about look money when you might get a look of work and something.
Alright, I'm tell you what God. Well, I'm not too easy. Remember say one night you have enough.
Who said me a whole night? Me not say whole night, it's nothing to do with family.
Remember say not if you know money.
Yes, but I know that, but me tell you.
Anyways, yes, so when I go tell him to give me money for come give when you
Oh, me tell you, say, the money I fear, you know. Wait for the camera business, you know.
So I tell him say
You don't have to tell him nothing, but as soon as you get the money, we can't come.
no I want him to give me, I don't want him to give me.
So I go, if
Me go tell him to give me so I can't bring it go give you. Like him have
no, I know that. Remember say, you know. You know if you know the camera there, you know. And me tell us the camera there.
Oh, sorry.
So if you tell him what camera go no say, can you suspect say I cheat? I said that I give me the job, you know.
Alright.
So don't worry about that.
So
The
what
money.
never get the money?
And he said he can get paid.
But you know the money? Me take you all that money.
Don't worry. He have money.
You know my money.
Yeah man, he tell me say I want to come and stash up at one place.
Yeah man, I've got pay Jim. Anyways, come.
Why you don't go on and shit so? Hello. What go on? Where's my work double? Well, me just get up in my morning, so I just let me know when he left out, alright? Me forward, me one of my family me had help them do some mess work. But me soon done and all those. So me can't spend the night, man. Alright, yeah man. Them time to them. You sure it's my work double? Alright.
In a rain, in a day when I don't know, cuddle up with no man. There's a blessing. Little girl.
Yes?
What you doing here idling around? Come go to your parents. Come go to your parents.
Yeah, my father. And you know, on the plaza here. So, yeah, just want to get to God on your work here.
Little girl. You know, man. Come on to your. Come on to your. You know, go on. I'm afraid of your mother. Go on, go tell her. What's the girl, man? What's your manners? Hello.
Security,
Yes, miss.
where are you?
Girls, on the front.
Can you come to my office doorway, please? I would like to have a word with you. Did you
Okay.
just get a chair?
Yes, miss. She don't know manners, me have to slap her 2 times. That's her face to me. Little girl there run up and down.
Just come around.
Alright.
I want to have a private conversation with you from this side. A parent just called me to let me know that you're going to sue the company because you put your hand in their page. I heard it's a little baby. What could that child have done? Wait, let me finish. What could that child have done for you to put that child in her face?
I don't lick her in her face.
Whatever you did, they said you're going to sue the company. You know what kind of trouble we are in right now because of you? As a result, I will have to terminate your contract. Pack your things and leave our place. I can't do anything about that. You did what you did. No, it doesn't.
You go and go that while over me and tell her.
So you say you'll sleep tonight?
I'll sleep tonight and say we can go in 1-2 more rounds. Tell her, what you think about the shit? Is there a job with them, make? You know, so me I go on.
Come on, go wash off and come back. Come on, go up and go sleep.
What is the bathroom for you to go wash off here? How far shirt is by the way?
Amy,
Can you give me that shirt? Your man shirt is that?
so what? Yeah, I don't have it on already.
You don't know why African people are told the same way. We just My custom for walk up and down the street. I'm going like basketball.
You want to hear because I have parents in here. I must have parents in here.
I wonder if you try to sit in the bathroom now.
No, I'm tired. Going, my mom go wash off and go sleep.
Where is the bathroom come? Want spray? You spray in the bathroom?
Everything around there.
Want spray? Alright.
Remember that dolly, remember it's not yours.
Alright.
Dolly, can you hear please? Why are you here? Jesus Christ. Hello. Why are they here? Why are they here? Don't work.
Dear, what you do?
But you don't see a jump, come sit down. I jump your jump, come sit down. Sit down.
And one man, me just come out of the bathroom, yes.
Which part?
Go through this.
Which part? Which part you see, man? No, man. Yeah, drunk your jump. Come relax, come.
Me no drunk, be.
Which part you see, man?
Me just see man come from out of the bathroom and go to the door, listen.
I don't pay.
Look here, time drunk but time no fool.
I don't pay. No man no did it.
Which man?
What you doing here? You're not
No man
supposed
can't
to-
see no dopey.
You're not supposed to be at work. What you doing here?
Be.
What you doing here? Hello? What you doing here? You're not supposed to be at work.
We don't know be.
What you doing here?
What you mean? If you care man, come in here.
Me no care no
If you care
man.
man, come in here.
Me I tell you, say, don't fear.
Dopey way.
Yes. Me don't fear.
Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, you know. If you have make it this far to the movie, that means you make it to the end, you know. And we will come again. Yeah, like I said, there is a few new movie over on One King films. Because true, we haven't been posting on it a lot. Lots of people don't know that there's a lot of new movie over there. So I'm just telling you, you can go over there and watch new movies. And don't let the competition fly over on your head. Because enough people not to realize that it's there and it's real. So this month is my month. 24th of this month is my Earth Strong. So you know, say, it's nearby. So, watch me be now, exercise in the morning. Make a walk, is it? Yeah. So, we'll be giving away $10,000 this month end, right? And here's how you win though. You watch the movie and you look out for the numbers them and you write them in your comments. If you're the place that you're writing it from don't have a name, please write your name in the comments. Cause what we're gonna do, we're gonna write it down on papers and put it in a box, and then we're gonna shake it up and do a raffle, and whoever name comes up will be the winner of the $10,000 this month. All right, I think that is easy, and you can comment more than one time, cause each comment is gonna give you an entry, you know. So every time you comment, we're gonna write down a piece of paper, burn it down. Yeah, you understand? So it's very easy. So we look forward to see who go win this month, and we're there, keep on putting the work in. You know, you take what you take and you go do what you do. Yeah, man. And so thanks for watching. You know what I mean? And if you're in the Negril area and you want something, remember Mr. Convenience is here at your service. You know what I mean? So you go see the flyer at the end. So please take advantage of it. You know what I mean? You're up on the ends and you don't want to move. You want something out in the town. Mr. Convenience got you. Right? So lock in the number before you actually need the number. Alright? Alright. Blessed love all the time. Burn it up to the ground. Yeah, man. Give thanks to life. Yeah. Jah live. Yeah.